Hello everyone, welcome you back in this video and over here let us to start today's video. Do you know that what will be the magnetic field due to this infinite straight conductor carrying current at a perpendicular distance r from it? So definitely that we will reply this is going to be mu naught I upon my 2 pi r from White-Savart's law. So here we are also going to find out this magnetic field at this position due to this current carrying straight conductor by using this alternative method. So this alternative method by which we can find out this magnetic field, we are going to call it is as Ampere circuit law. So this is the second method by which we can find out this magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. It is not only for a straight current carrying conductor, so that conductor may be of different shape and size. Okay, so to apply this Ampere circuit law, we must to use over there Amperian loop. For example, let us to consider now here at a distance r, I want to find out the magnetic field with the help of Ampere circuit law. So Ampere circuit law says that take a loop, closed loop, which will pass through that point where we want to find out the magnetic field. Okay, so here I have considered this is r radius of the loop, and this loop is passing from that point where I want to find out this magnetic field due to this current carrying conductor. Now this loop that we are going to call it is as Amperian loop. So this Amperian loop, it must be symmetrical. Symmetrical means that same everywhere. So therefore if it is symmetrical, then it is useful to find out this magnetic field. And the second thing, magnetic field be constant on this symmetrical Amperian loop. Now the meaning of this Amperian loop is what? So it is there that closed loop around the current carrying conductor of arbitrary direction. Now if we are supposing over there what should be the direction, so direction that you can take that may be the anti-clockwise direction or it may be this clockwise direction. Okay, so if I will consider over here the direction of the loop, let it be anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and so over here you will find that if I will have this is one of the point and this is the another point, both these points are at same distance from this current carrying conductor. So it means to say that the magnetic field on this one, if I have to find out the direction over here, so to find the direction I have to take the tangent on this one, and at this point that the direction that will be the tangent. So see over there the direction of the loop, and according to that take the direction that tangent. So this tangent is going to give us that magnetic field. So here it is, let it be b dash, and here it is b. So we are finding that magnitude of this magnetic field that will be same. Why that will be same? Because both are at same distance from this current carrying conductor. Now over here how to apply this Ampere circuit law. तो एम्पियर सर्किट लॉ को कैसे अप्लाई करना है? सो फॉर दिस वन अगेन दैट as I'm having this is current carrying conductor, and let us suppose this is the distance where we want to find out the magnetic field. So take this closed loop which is passing from that point where we want to find out this magnetic field. Okay, so this I have supposed over here, and here that loop, so I'm going to consider this is to be in anti-clockwise direction. So the current is passing through this conductor, and over here when we have to apply this Ampere circuit law, so on this closed loop you have to consider small elemental length. So on this small elemental length, so the direction of this small elemental length will be the direction of a loop. Okay, so this is the vector quantity we are taking over here, and the magnetic field on this small elemental length that will be tangent on it. So it is going to act tangentially. Okay, so here that the magnetic field on this closed loop, that we can determine by adding all these small element on which there is this magnetic field. Okay, so here we are doing that, we are going to add this magnetic field on these small elements. So on this closed loop, so closed loop that it is going to be mentioned as, okay, so it is said to be line integral on closed loop. So this is on closed loop. So has here we have said that it is a closed loop. So closed loop, it is mentioned with this circle. Okay, so this is what line integral. line integral means to say कि जो हमारे पास लाइन के ऊपर जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स हैं, ठीक है, तो उसको हमने एडअप करना है, ठीक है. इट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ लाइन इंटीग्रल. सो दस now we are looking to the statement of this Ampere circuit law. So this Ampere circuit law, it states that the line integral of magnetic field on a closed loop is equal to absolute permeability times the current passes through the loop. Okay, so what is said over here? It is said that line integral, तो जो हमारे पास लाइन इंटीग्रल था, जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का सम है इस लूप के ऊपर, ठीक है, तो वो किसके इक्वल होगा? दैट विल बी इक्वल टू एब्सोल्यूट परमिएबिलिटी. एब्सोल्यूट परमिएबिलिटी जो है वो हमारे पास उस मैग्नेटिक मीडियम के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है जिसके अंदर ये करंट प्लेस किया गया है. द मीडियम इन विच दिस करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर इज प्लेस्ड. Okay, so for that we are using this absolute permeability and times the current passing through the loop. Now over here इस लूप के अंदर से कितना करंट पास हो रहा है? So here it is I current which is passing through. So thus mathematically we can write that line integral is given by v dot dl, okay, on this closed loop. So which is equal to mu naught permeability times that current which is passing through it. Okay, this is mathematically form of that Ampere circuit law. Now let us to prove this one, that this line integral of magnetic field on closed loop is equal to mu naught times the current passing through it. Okay, so for this purpose let us to consider this is that current carrying loop, that straight conductor. Okay, and we want to find out the magnetic field at r distance from it. So for this I have considered over here a circular loop, and the direction of this circular loop, it is taken to be anti-clockwise. Now on this loop I am going to consider, let it be the small length dl. So the tangent on this elemental length will give us the direction of magnetic field. Okay, so therefore the line integral left hand side, that I am going to start over here. Left hand side is there, the line integral of magnetic field on this closed loop. Okay, so it is given as v dot dl. So here if I will remove the vector, then in magnitude how we can write it? It is v dl, magnitude of b, magnitude of dl, and the dot will change into angle between them. तो ये जो एंगल है ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड और एलिमेंटल लेंथ के बीच में एंगल है, ठीक है. सो वी आर सेइंग दैट दिस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज टेंजेंट टू द एलिमेंटल लेंथ, ठीक है. तो दोनों क्या है? सेम डायरेक्शन में है. सो here dl and b are in same direction. So thus we are getting this angle to be of 0 degree. So if it is of 0 degree, then we are getting it is VDL, because cos 0 will be 1. Okay, now on this closed loop, that as we said that ये जो closed loop है ये क्या है? Amperian loop. Amperian loop कैसा लेना है? Symmetrical लेना है. Symmetrical है तो उसके ऊपर magnetic field क्या होगी? Constant होगी. तो magnetic field is constant. So thus it is over here constant, and this will be the integral of that line. ठीक है, तो जितने भी टोटल लेंथ है दिस विल बी ऑफ क्लोज लूप. ओके, सो द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ दिस क्लोज लूप, तो इसका रेडियस आर है तो इसलिए टोटल लेंथ क्या बन जाएगी इसकी? इट विल बी 2πr. दिस इज टोटल लेंथ. ओके, बट वी आर नोन विद वन थिंग, कि जो हमारे पास एक स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर जो इनफाइनाइट लेंथ का है जिसमें से करंट पास करता है, उससे परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वाइट सैवर्ट लॉ से कितनी आई थी? ठीक है, तो इसलिए फ्रॉम वाइट सैवर्ट्स लॉ that magnetic field due to of this it was that mu naught I upon में 2 πr it was there. Okay, so that's put it here then. So that implies we are getting this is b value will be mu naught I upon में 2πr, sorry 2πr into 2πr. So this is going to cancel, and finally we are getting over here that it is mu naught I. Okay, so thus we have proved that left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side over here. So here the line integral of magnetic field on a closed loop is equal to mu naught times the current which is passing through that circuit. Okay, now just to suppose over here that we are having, there is one of the current is going to enter inside this paper, and the second current is over here which is coming out of the paper. Okay, so from this, now at a distance from these two current, we are going to find out the magnetic field. Okay, so if we have to use this ampere circuit law, then it says that take a loop which is going to enclose that which is going to enclose that point where we want to find out this magnetic field. Okay, so here I have enclosed that one. Okay, this is the point P where we were finding out. Now this current which is going inside, let it is I1, and the current which is coming out, let it is to be I2. So these two current are going to lie inside this Amperian loop. This is over here, Amperian loop. Okay, now what will be the magnetic field? Okay, so magnetic field at this point P. So it is said from Ampere circuit law that will be the line integral of this magnetic field on that closed loop. So it is equal to mu naught times the current through the loop. उस करंट जो हमारे पास करंट थ्रो लूप, तो उस लूप से कितना करंट जो हमारे पास जा रहा है. ठीक है. So this is that current over here. Now here we are looking that the current I1 is going inside, ये अंदर की तरफ जा रहा है, and I2 current is coming out. So for this we are doing one thing, that the current which is coming out, ठीक है, here जो current है which is coming out, so this current out I2 it is coming out of the paper, so is taken positive. ठीक है, तो उसको क्या किया हमने, पॉजिटिव ले लिया. तो जो करंट I1 है वो क्या हो जाएगा, ऑटोमेटेड है, उसकी डायरेक्शन अपोजिट है, तो इस नेगेटिव. ठीक है, सो देन व्हाट विल बी द नेट करंट. तो नेट करंट क्या बना हमारे पास. सो देन वी विल फाइंड ओवर हेयर दैट द करंट थ्रू द लूप, देन इट विल बिकम mu naught, and it is that of I2 is coming out, and this I1 is inside, so it is I2 minus I1. This is the current which is inside the loop. Okay, so thus we are having this is the Ampere circuit law, and whenever we have to apply this Ampere circuit law, we have to use Amperian loop. So this Amperian loop that need to taken as symmetrical. Okay, so then it will be useful to us. Now over here that this is having its limitation. So limitations of Ampere circuit law. So limitation is was thing that it is not universal. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हमारे पास इसको हर जगह आप यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हो. इट इज़ नॉट यूनिवर्सल लॉ. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ सेड दैट इट इज़ यूजफुल, बट दैट इट इज़ नॉट एवरीवेयर इट इज़ यूजफुल. ठीक है. सेकेंड थिंग ओवर देयर दैट करंट मस्ट बी steady. Okay, so only in that condition we can apply this Ampere circuit law. Okay, so these are the limitations for Ampere's circuit law. Thank you for watching this video.